Hey guys, DIY Die here, and just took the transformer out of the old mineral bath there, but it looks like it arced over. So today I'm going to show you guys how to diagnose and repair, hopefully, a high voltage transformer here. So let's get started here. So the first thing I always do is look on the windings themselves to see if there's any arcing in the actual windings, and there's none. And you look between the windings and the core. There also should be none. Now what can happen is if you don't have your windings tight enough, they can touch the side of the core. I'm trying to pick up that wire there. Do you see that wire? Right there, dragging off to the side of the core, right on this side here. Now that wire, because there's supposed to be a gap for the mineral oil to insulate from the high tension coil, if that wire comes loose, it'll just short right to the core of the transformer, which is precisely what I think is happening here. So it's a simple fix. Really it's just manufacturing defect, i.e. my fault, but easy fix, no problem. So I'll pull that back and we'll go from there.